Hello! Good morning! Kamusta kayong lahat? Bagong gising ba? Yes! Kagigising lang namin. Maaga kaming nagigising. Maaga kaming nagising today. Dahil, walking kami, pupunta sa may Mandir. May shop doon. Mandir is temple dito. Pero walang temple doon. Bakit nila tinawag na Mandir yun, Bi? Why they call it Mandir?
Before, you know, that was the forest. That was the forest. So middle of that, our grandfather there, he built one temple. So that this name is temple. And temple. Now settlement came, and it becomes temple area, temple street.
Ayun. So, bili lang kami ng pang breakfast, biscuit or some other. Kasi dito sa village, malayo ang choke, kumbaga sa amin, malayo ang mga groceries. Iyon yung kinukomplain ni Cham Kapong kasi uhaw na siya. Kaya, and itong Mandir na to, kung saan merong may shop, malayo din. Medyo malayo, hindi naman ganun kalayo. So, andito kami ngayon sa gitna ng wilderness ba yan? Ayan. Doon ang bahay namin, banda. Tapos, iyon, maraming mga bamboos. Ayan. So, tara, sama kayo sa aming paglalakad. Bibili ng almusal. Time check, 6:55 na ng umaga. Usually, nagigising kami ng mga 8:30, ganyan. So, ito yung nakikita nyo. Puro compost yan. Tapos, pag nag-flow sila, may na-flow na doon sa banda sa amin. Ayun o. So, ito, ipo-flow din nila. Hindi na to sa amin eh. Ngayon, pagka-flow, diretso add ng compost. Yung iba, mano-mano ang ginagawa katulad kahapon doon sa last Bojo na pinuntahan namin. Mano-mano yung pag-a-add nila ng compost tsaka pagpo-flow. Tara, baba tayo. Mahirap pala yung pababaanin to. Simula nung pumunta kami dito, parang laging umuulan. Pero kahapon, maganda ang weather namin. Hindi umulan. So, maya naman ulit. Ayan o. Nagsusunog sila para ma-prevent ang wildfire. Ganyan nila ginagawa. Part. Ayan, ito yung shop dito. Dalawa lang. Dito lang nakakabili. Otherwise, doon na sa bazaar. Daming trophy tsaka medal. Never give up.
This one is, you know, their son, Pujan. He's a volleyball player. So all he won this, you know,
galing.
medal and first. This all. See,
Dami.
that one medal. Cup.
Siya yun. So, ayun na. Galing kami dito sa Mandir Toll. Ayan. Tahimik.
This big building is go down.
Warehouse.
Warehouse, yeah. But old. Before I was born, I don't know what was the established date. But I remember that when I was young, in my childhood, there was, you know, they used to store maize, corn, wheat, rice, like that. So whenever there is, you know, shortage of wheat in this village or town, they distribute, and it's from the government, and very cheap rate, like that.
Ang gaganda ng mga bulaklak dito sa probinsya. Paakyat na kami ulit. Oops, may nursery dito. Nursery.
Where?
Ayun oh.
What nut?
Hindi pala. Uy, may nagsisibak ng kahoy. Akyat tayo, aray. Oops.
This one is
Baboy yan. Hindi, baka. May goat, may baka. Parang everyone's plowing their land, no? Is this the
this is
season?
the rainy season, yeah.
Oh,
The spring season rain is about to start.
okay.
So here, you know, everybody they keep their cattle
Mm.
and goat, pig, and cow, buffalo like that
Oh.
because to create the compost,
Oh.
so they can use all those compost.
Oo.
It's made by the cows, dung,
Daw.
and
Oh.
goats like that,
Okay.
and they can use this one as a fertilizer.
Oh.
That's why they have to keep
These animals. Oo.
animals.
Okay. Ang dami ng mga nag-ano. Ito yung babuyan. Dami, oh. Daming baboy yan, pero hindi ko sure kung maraming baboy. So, ito, mga coriander yan. Matataas para ginagawa nilang ano.
Not only this one.
Oh.
Look there. There is mustard.
Oh,
That's seed.
oo.
That one, onion. So it will fall down. It will grow again. There is dill also.
This one what? Flower?
This is flower.
Okay. So, yun dito sa village, tag nito, bihira mamili ng mga pang tarkari ba? Tarkari, parang yung pang ulam. Kasi mostly is tanim, nangunguha sa tanim. Ganon din si ama eh. Hindi kami namimili. Simula nang dumating kami, hindi kami namimili ng manok lang. Pero yung mga gulay-gulay, saan na tayo? Yung mga gulay-gulay, puro hina-harvest lang niya. Okay, akyat pa ulit tayo.
Very fresh.
Yeah. Puro ganyan na makikita natin ngayon. Uy. May bahay doon. Ayan. So, naglalakad pa rin kami. Sandali lang. Ayan. Naglalakad pa rin kami. Ito ang aming view. Parang sisikat na yung araw. Yun o.
That Baje.
Baje's house.
Yeah, this cactus.
So, ayan. Ano to?
Mustard.
Mustard. Dito, masisipag yung mga tao dito sa village magtanim. Tapos yung, ang tawag nito? Hindi lang magtanim, magbungkal ng lupa. Usually.
Europe na no.
Ayan siya, oh.
Eh,
May doko dito, ang laki. So, pag nagbubungkal ng lupa, yung iba, mano-mano lang talaga. Walang walang gamit na pang-araro. Malapit na kami. So, ayan. Itong puno na to, plum. Tapos, may bunga. Ayan. Magandang umaga pa rin. Magandang umaga ulit. Time check, nasa 10:55 na ng umaga. At eto, mag-start naman ulit kaming mag-process ng paper. So, lakad ulit kami papuntang ward. And then, balitaan ko kayo maya-maya. Okay? What is that sound?
we call
May nagpo-plow.
Hello, Gaga.
May nagpo-plow. Ayan, so finally, natapos na kami dun sa ward. Now, punta naman tayo dito sa administration office, yung kahapon na tinuro ko sa inyo. So, lakad pa rin tayo. Dito kami sa may bazaar. Bukas, Friday, so may weekend bazaar dito, night market. Bazaar market? Ay, parang ganon. So, tingnan natin, punta tayo bukas. Actually, nakita na natin last time kung ano yung mga tinda dyan. Tingnan natin kung may changes. Okay? So, for now, lakad ulit tayo. Okay. Ito daw yung way na nung nag-aaral pa siya, ito yung lagi nilang dinadaanan. Narrow road. Paakyat. Shortcut kami. Back gate. So, ayan yung school.
It wasn't like this. It was like this before.
Ayan yung school back gate. Singhabain. So, dun tayo pupunta. May bayad yan?
And only the passport record. Go.
Okay, so bale. Punta dito. Kain lang muna kami sa gate. And then, balik kami. Hindi pa tapos. So, ito yung mga bunda. Terratum. Hindi ko kilala. Zone 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, that's municipality.
Municipality pala, kaya 1. So, where are we? Mayanglong. Dito tayo sa Mayanglong. Sa Mayanglong, 1, 2, 3, until 10. 10 municipality?
10 ward.
10 ward.
Yeah, what is our ward?
Ward number 2.
Oh.
Mayanglong 2. And this one?
This one is Menchayam.
Menchayam. So there is 6 wards.
So there is inside Terathum. This is the picture of Terathum. This.
Yun ang Terathum.
Yeah. So there are 4 municipality.
1,
No, 1, 2, 3, 4,
2, 3, 4, 5,
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each this one is the one municipality or the village committee. What do you call this one? Yeah.
BDC.
Yeah, VDC. So there are 2 lali grass. You know that one?
Which color?
The pink color, the long one left. Yeah, left. And then the blue one. That's Manglung and.
Yeah, it's up in the shape
lali
like
grass.
this. Oh, the green color is this one. The shape of this one is that. And this one here, blue here. This one and there, laliguras that one.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Okay.
Okay, tara na. Kain na muna tayo dahil kami gutom na. So, ayan, galing kami ng police station doon sa taas. Bali, binigay lang namin yung papel and hintayin namin yung tawag nila. And then, after nun, ang tawag nito, balik kami. So, bale, ang natapos is yung national ID ni Santos. Tapos niya na. Si Champ at si Cece, iniwan namin dun sa restaurant kasi nagutom na sila. So, ngayon, balikan namin. Ayan. Doon kami galing sa taas. Ayun, yung police station na yan, yung blue. Okay. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, SL Nepal. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.